Everyone, my name is ZIZO. I'm an entrepreneur and a startup advisor. Today I'm working with startups to develop their product strategies, MVPs, doing product ideation and business development. In the past, I worked in diverse fields. I started in a medical device startup that was acquired by Roche Diagnostics for over $160 million. I also led 2 startups of my own in mobile and cloud. I led the startup programs in EMEA for Amazon Web Services, helping startups scale on the AWS cloud. I have been working with startup founders as an advisor for a long time and saw all the difficulties that they have creating new product ideas, and I help them scale up and create better products. In the last 2 years, I developed a new methodology, a design methodology I call ZIZO, Zoom In and Zoom Out. It allows startup founders and product managers to zoom in to the detailed design, but also zoom out and see things in a strategic level and switch between the modes and constantly look at things in different perspectives. I led workshops in WeWork Labs and Zinc VC and other places, and I saw the benefits that this methodology brings to founders and product leaders. And I decided to bring this methodology and knowledge to everyone with this Udemy course. I hope to see you in this course working and developing new ideas, new product ideas, and also launching better startups and great products with this knowledge. I hope to see you there.